Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix or activate Google Assistant in your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is make sure Google Assistant is supported. So not all Android TVs come with Google Assistant built in. So to check, press the mic button on your remote. If nothing happens or you see an error, your device may not support it or it needs to be set up. So what we need to do is update Google app and system software. So outdated software can cause Google Assistant to not work properly. So what we need to do is go to our Google Play Store, then click on My Apps and update all apps. Also go to Settings, Device Preferences, About, System Update to check for firmware updates. Now we need to go ahead and enable Google Assistant, so make sure it's activated. So go to Settings, hit the gear icon on your TV, then go to Device Preferences, Google Assistant, toggle it on if it's off. Number 4, fix microphone or remote issue. So if your remote mic isn't working, try replacing the batteries and also restart the remote or repair it. So go to Settings, Remotes and Accessories, Bluetooth settings, unpair and repair. Also check internet connection. So Google Assistant needs internet. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You can access apps like YouTube or Google Play. And the last step here is to perform a TV reboot. So unplug your TV for 1 minute, then plug it back in. Alternatively, hold the power button on the remote button until it reboots.